Is it good? Eli. Is it good? Hi. Here you do. You got it right here.
Christopher Robin and his friends have had many exciting adventures. Now, of all the friends, Owl believed he was the only one wise enough to understand the handwritten notes that Christopher Robin left behind. So when Pooh discovered one such note, he brought it to Owl straight away. What do you have there, my boy? Oh, a note I found at Christopher Robin's. But strange words I cannot read.
You can't read most words.
Yes, but especially none of the strange ones.
Let me one mighty careful when decoding such arcane things, so as not to incorrectly interpret its true meaning. Go now, busy Jackson, signed Christopher Robin. Dear friend, Christopher Robin has been captured. What? By a creature called Jackson. So what does this person look like?
I have some chalk, Owl. Can you draw it?
Well, excellent idea, young man. It's a giant creature with a tail. Here, I'll draw it.
You leave it here, baby. Was it good? Yeah. You're a good boy. Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm.
We'll be back after these messages.
Hooray!
And even though Owl had misread the note and Christopher Robin was
Is it good? Yeah.
In Paris, France, if you should stray down by the pass, to my shake, you meet two friends named Gaspar and Lisa.
Bonjour.
Telling stories, making plans, and pretty soon